Have you ever wondered why some of the most successful people in the world, CEOs, athletes, and monks, wake up at 3 in the morning? Is it just a trend? Or is there real science behind it? In this video, we're diving deep into the benefits of a 3 a.m. dopamine-based morning routine, something that can completely transform your life. What is dopamine? Dopamine is a feel-good neurotransmitter that boosts motivation, focus, and pleasure. Whenever you do something good, like exercising, meditating, or learning something new, dopamine is released and you feel great. Now imagine starting your day with a natural dopamine boost. How would the rest of your day go? Why 3 a.m.? 3 a.m. is known as the Brahma Muhurat, a time considered spiritually, mentally, and energetically pure. When the world is asleep, your mind and body are calm and distraction-free, no noise, no social media. Benefits of a 3 a.m. dopamine-based morning routine. Mindful start. Begin the day with meditation, deep breathing, or prayer to calm the mind. This stabilizes your dopamine levels and improves clarity. Dopamine detox. Checking social media right after waking up disturbs your dopamine system. At 3 a.m., you're naturally away from such distractions, helping dopamine release in a healthy way. Stronger self-control. Training your body to wake up at 3 a.m. builds discipline and willpower. Boost in productivity and creativity. Between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m., your brain operates in alpha and theta waves, ideal for deep thought and creative breakthroughs. Time for personal projects. This is the perfect window to work on your goals, skills, or passion projects without any interruptions. Improved physical health. Light walking, stretching, or yoga in the morning boosts dopamine and keeps fatigue away all day. Better sleep quality. To wake up at 3 a.m., you must sleep early. This creates a healthy sleep cycle and improves sleep quality. Inner peace and happiness. Spending time with yourself brings deep satisfaction, which naturally boosts dopamine. Clarity in life. A clear mind leads to better decision-making and gives your life direction and meaning. How to start. Gradually shift your time. Don't jump straight to 3 a.m. Start with 5 a.m., then 4:30, and slowly adjust. Fix your bedtime. Sleep by 9 or 10 p.m. Avoid screens at night. Blue light disturbs melatonin. Have a morning plan ready. Know exactly what to do when you wake up. The 3 a.m. dopamine-based morning routine is not just a schedule, it's a lifestyle. It balances your mental, physical, and spiritual energy. If you truly want to bring a positive transformation in your life, give this routine a try. Start your day with control, clarity, and calm. Dopamine style.